This is a Superglue lab. I started with pouring 200 milliliters of water to each cup. After, I labeled each cup with the information that was given, which is cup number 1, just water, and cup number 2, baking soda with water. And right after, I added 1 tablespoon of baking soda to the second cup, which is baking soda with water. After adding the baking soda, I started to use the thermometer to measure the temperature. For cup 1, I got 73.0 Fahrenheit, and for cup 2, which is with the baking soda, I got 65.1 Fahrenheit. When recording the temperature, I began to set up my 1-minute timer and got my glue ready. I couldn't find the 3-gram glue, so I used 1 gram. As I started pouring the glue, I realized right away that most of the glue sinks down and forms little balls, and some of the glue stayed up and formed flat circles. After the glue was added, the temperature for cup 1 was 73.4 Fahrenheit. And this is what the glue looked on top of the water and on the inside. When I started collecting the glue that was in the water, the texture was super sticky and somewhat liquidy. And when I tried to lightly touch the little balls that sank down to the bottom of the cup, all the runny liquid had came out of them. As you can see, it's very sticky and liquidy. I began with giving another mix to the baking soda, and the temperature with the baking soda is 65.1 Fahrenheit. For the second cup, as I started pouring the glue, the reaction happened right away, and the glue did not sink at all. All the glue stayed on top and formed flat circles. While on cup 1, the glue sank and formed little balls. As you can tell, all the glue stayed on top. After pouring the glue, the temperature was 68.2 Fahrenheit for the second cup. When I started collecting the glue, it was very stiff and the glue felt super dry and it felt like a piece of paper. No running glue was felt at all. As you can tell, it does look like paper. Thank you so much for watching. Answers. Question 1. Superglue is made up of carbonate, which forms strong bonds with the hydroxyl ions of water or bases like baking soda. Question 2. Picture. Answer for question 3. The reason that carbonate forms a bond with water is because superglue is way stronger if the water is added. The glue will stick when it touches hydroxyl ions in water and molecules from chains that are strong, and this is why heat would give off in the process. Question 4. A chain reaction is a sequence of reaction where a reactive byproduct causes additional reactions to take place. The reason why the superglue lab reaction is a chain reaction is because when adding more products to the water, it causes different reactions to take place. Question 5. A base is a substance that releases hydroxyl ions to water. Question 6 answers. Yes, the reaction of superglue is faster in sodium bicarbonate compared to water because sodium and glue from an ion which reacts with another carbohydrate molecule and it begins a chain reaction which makes the reaction appear faster.